Hello, welcome to my channel Kilimo High TV. Today you are going to see the topic organic farming. Organic farming is a system of gardening where farmer cares for the soil and uses natural methods, natural substances, and nature has a helper and a friend while excluding artificial fertilizers and pesticides. Let us see a principle of organic. Principle of organic. Health soil makes health plants that are resistant to pests and diseases. This principle, therefore, indicates that health soil is a guarantee for health plants and people. Let us see 3 steps to organic farming. 3 steps to organic farming. First, managing